Farming is entering a new era. Across vast fields, intelligent machines, renewable energy, and advanced technology are transforming the way we grow food. The world's population continues to grow, creating a huge challenge. How can we produce enough nutritious food while protecting land, water, and the environment? For thousands of years, farming depended largely on human labor, experience, and simple tools. Today, technology is changing many of those traditional methods. Tractors, harvesters, automated machinery, and advanced equipment allow farmers to cultivate enormous areas faster, more efficiently, and with less physical labor. Modern farms are becoming connected ecosystems. Drones, sensors, artificial intelligence, and autonomous machines can work together while farmers monitor the entire operation. Precision agriculture means applying exactly what crops need, where they need it. Water, nutrients, and treatments can be carefully targeted, instead of being wasted across entire fields. Drones are becoming powerful tools for farmers. Flying above crops, they can capture detailed images and collect information about plant health across huge areas. A drone can examine individual plants and identify differences that may be difficult to see from the ground. Early detection can help farmers respond before problems spread. Artificial intelligence can analyze enormous amounts of agricultural data. It can identify patterns in crop health, weather, soil conditions, and plant growth to support better decisions. Tiny sensors placed throughout fields can continuously measure soil moisture, temperature, and other environmental conditions, giving farmers information from beneath their crops. Healthy soil is the foundation of productive agriculture. Smart monitoring helps farmers understand what is happening around plant roots and manage water and nutrients more precisely. Instead of watering an entire field equally, intelligent irrigation systems can target areas that actually need water. This can improve efficiency and reduce unnecessary water use. In regions facing water shortages, every drop matters. Drip irrigation and precision systems can deliver water directly toward plant roots, reducing evaporation and waste. Autonomous tractors can navigate fields using cameras, GPS, and other sensors. They can perform repetitive tasks with remarkable precision, while farmers supervise their operations. Weeds compete with crops for water and nutrients. Agricultural robots can identify unwanted plants and remove them precisely, reducing the need for widespread chemical treatment. Harvesting robots are also advancing rapidly. Using cameras and intelligent robotic arms, they can identify ripe produce and carefully collect it without damaging the plants. Plant diseases and pests can destroy crops if they are detected too late. AI-powered cameras can examine leaves and recognize early signs of problems. Instead of treating an entire field, precision technology can target only affected plants. This approach can reduce chemical use while protecting crops and supporting healthier farming practices. What if farms could move indoors? Vertical farming grows crops in stacked layers, allowing large amounts of food to be produced in relatively small spaces. Hydroponic systems grow plants without traditional soil. Their roots receive carefully controlled water and nutrients, allowing farmers to manage growing conditions with remarkable precision. Modern greenhouses can control temperature, humidity, light, and irrigation. This creates stable conditions that help crops grow even when outdoor weather becomes unpredictable. Artificial intelligence can continuously monitor greenhouse conditions and automatically adjust ventilation, lighting, irrigation, and temperature, reducing the amount of manual work required. Scientists are developing crops that can better tolerate heat, drought, disease, and changing environmental conditions. These varieties could become increasingly important in a warming world. Inside modern laboratories, researchers study plant genetics and biology to understand how crops grow and respond to environmental stress, opening new possibilities for agriculture. Weather can determine whether a harvest succeeds or fails. Farmers can now combine local forecasts, field sensors, and digital tools to make more informed decisions. Automated weather stations continuously measure temperature, humidity, wind, and rainfall directly on farms, providing real-time information for agricultural planning. Satellites give farmers and scientists a powerful view from above. They can monitor enormous agricultural regions and observe changes that are difficult to detect from the ground. Satellite imagery can reveal differences in crop health, soil conditions, and water requirements across entire landscapes, helping farmers manage fields with greater precision. A digital farm twin creates a virtual representation of a real farm. It can combine information about crops, machinery, irrigation, weather, and soil in one connected system. The farm of the future may function like one intelligent network. Tractors, drones, sensors, irrigation systems, and weather stations can communicate and share information continuously. Agriculture also needs energy. Solar panels and wind turbines can provide cleaner electricity for farms, reducing dependence on fossil fuels while supporting sustainable production. Solar energy can power pumps and irrigation systems, allowing farmers to move water using clean electricity and potentially reducing operating costs in suitable locations. Electric tractors and other machines are beginning to emerge as alternatives to conventional equipment. As battery technology improves, agricultural machinery may become quieter and cleaner. Imagine an entire team of autonomous machines working together. One monitors crops, another removes weeds, another harvests, while others transport produce across the farm. Large harvesting machines can collect crops across enormous fields with impressive speed and precision. Automation can reduce labor demands and help farmers manage large-scale production. Technology does not stop at the farm gate. Machine vision and robotic systems can sort, grade, and process fresh produce quickly while maintaining consistent quality. Once harvested, food must reach consumers efficiently. Electric delivery vehicles, automated logistics, and digital supply chains can help move agricultural products from farms to markets. A significant amount of food is lost before it reaches consumers. Smart storage systems can monitor temperature and humidity, helping keep fresh produce usable for longer. Advanced farming technology is not only for giant farms. Affordable smartphones, sensors, weather services, and digital tools can also help small farmers improve productivity and manage risk. The farm of the future may combine artificial intelligence, robotics, drones, renewable energy, autonomous machinery, and advanced growing systems into one highly connected agricultural ecosystem. But technology will not replace the farmer completely. The future is more likely to be a partnership, with machines handling repetitive tasks, while humans provide experience, judgment, and leadership. From traditional fields to intelligent farms, agriculture is changing before our eyes. Technology can help us produce more food with fewer resources, but the ultimate goal remains the same: feeding humanity while protecting the planet for generations to come. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.